Hi everybody, welcome. Today I have JBL headphones and today I'm going to tell you how can you easily install its app for your iPhone and how to set up your headphones with it. So at first we have to open App Store and here we have to tap search. In the search bar we have to search for JBL headphones. Now the second option you can see is JBL headphones music from Harman International Industries. Here you will see the Get button. You have to tap Get button and you have to authorize yourself using Face ID or your Apple ID password. Once you download this app and uninstall it, you will see this cloud icon with the download button, so you just have to tap it. It may take a while, don't worry, it depends on your internet connection, your phone. Halfway done, as you can see. As you can see now, it is opened. And now, installed, and now we have to open this application using this open button. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of notifications. We have to allow for finding Bluetooth devices. We don't have to allow for sending our notifications. And now we have to tap Get Started. Here, accept. And now, I recommend to be paired with your headphones before doing this process, but it will work. You just have to enter pairing mode before pairing your headphones. Your application finds your headphones automatically. Now we have to tap Get Started, done, and this is our application, as you can see. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.